Guys, let's just unpack on this story. This story is so heartbreaking of this 17-year-old boy who was going to matric this year. Just imagine. And even the people he was with on this boat, they're going to matric. And I'm just like, they're not going to go to school now because they don't want to tell the truth. And I know, and I'm sure Gucci, they know what they've done here. Or those movies, remember those movies? I saw what you did and I know who you are. It is. This is just so crazy. At Driehoek High School, they had gone to camping and how they ended up in a boat cruise in the Val. I understand how did that happen because finding a camper, you could do like a lot of things. You can go hiking, you can go, for a day. But I'm just like, how did they go to the boat cruises when no one knew about it? And they only found out when they were coming back, Uguti is not on. And they telling different stories. Remember, these are teenagers. They don't know what they're talking about. The police are asking this one and that's what, but they're not telling the story. The sister was even saying yesterday when he was found, Uguti, they're going to have to tell us what happened to my brother. Those people who were in the boat. Guys, is it in trips, in school trips? How crazy is this story? The family now demands answers. They're like, no, those boys know exactly what happened to him. And the way they say it, there was an elder. I mean, for me, this is how I see it. There was an elder who was driving the boat. The search had to be called off at some stage because they couldn't find him there at the Val River. I mean, it's big. How are you going to find anyone? You don't even know where they jumped. And the sister was even saying when he was found, they said the boat went that way, but he was found the other way. So you see things like that. I mean, this is water we are talking about at the end of the day. But this is not nice, guys. Like, people can just be, hey, like, I even feel good he was actually unalived before he was put in the water. But sazophuma indaba. Ayikho into ehlala emfihlakalweni. But mark my words. The family did mention ukuthi they are suspecting foul play because the stories are not matching up, around these boys who were with their boy. But I'm thinking it was a mix. It wasn't just boys only, at the camp, obviously. I mean, before that private boat cruise they had that ended tragically. And another story futhi around this story that's concerning the father says Oguti, they took time to report him. And chances are, had they reported him, I mean, he got lost on Friday. He was only found yesterday, on Monday. Had they reported the incident earlier and told the truth, basically, these teenagers, they would have found him in time. But it took them almost 3 days to find him. So apparently this boy and his friends, Thomas told, he always does this nabangani bakhe. This was not the first time, and also the parents were not, we're not even thinking about it. They were just like, oh no, the guys, I mean, the children are going out like they always do. The story, guys, it didn't end well, I'll keep you posted because there's still investigations and the family asked for some private time because I'm sure they will bury him this coming weekend and they're asking out, can they just have some time? And also the investigations are still underway. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. I'm trying to grow it. I appreciate you so much. And turn that over.